Are you ready to dream big? I don't know about you, but I got tired of everyone saying I needed to be more conservative with my investing. Are you tired of that? People with money, they just don't get it. There's a gap that exists between the haves and the have-nots. To get yourself to the haves, sometimes you have to take calculated risks. You need to be able to multiply your income, not just double it, to survive in today's inflated economy. Today, I'm going to map out how you can use today's portfolio to get out of the rat race and get in control. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you appreciate getting the best portfolio content on YouTube to make all your financial dreams come true, then smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more. Let's face it, the average American needs more than a 10 to 20% return on their investments in order to change their quality of life. So aim high as we dive into the DreamFolio. For those new here or catching up, you can find all the details on our investor profiles by clicking the link above. I've crafted 4 unique profiles to align with the goals of our community, each customized for a different investment approach. Today's spotlight is on the DreamFolio, a portfolio built for those who are looking to multiply their investments. But the strategy here for the DreamFolio is much different than what we saw for the SafeFolio. If you need to watch that video, you can catch up by clicking the link above. In the SafeFolio, we allowed investors the opportunity to pick as many coins as they wanted per allocation segment, within reason, of course. For the DreamFolio, you're gonna pick 2 coins per segment. You're gonna pick what you believe will be the biggest winner in that segment, the slam dunk pick, if you will, and then the coin that you believe has the most potential, aka the long shot. You can balance the percentage between the 2 coins however you like, but in my opinion, the optimum strategy here is to invest more into the likely overall winner. I chose about a 60-40 to 70-30 spread for the examples. But remember, this is all about picking those winners and changing your life. The DreamFolio can help you accomplish this by properly balancing risk and reward. See for yourself. Let's jump into the different segments of the DreamFolio. Let's start with the overall top performer segment. We've allocated 20% of your portfolio to coins that are set to lead the market. These are your most secure picks, projects that have already proven themselves and are poised for even greater things in this bull run. We're talking about coins like XRP, Solana, SWI, and BitTensor. These are coins with staying power backed by strong communities and innovative technology. They're the ones that you want to hold when the market finally starts to take off. Next up, we've got real world assets, or RWAs. These are projects that bridge the gap between tangible things in the real world and blockchain. Ondo and Pith Network are the stars here, and they're making waves by bringing the real world onto the blockchain. This 15% allocation is all about tapping into a massive underexplored market that could see huge growth as blockchain adoption increases. And we can't ignore the hottest trend in tech right now, AI. Artificial intelligence is taking over, and in the crypto space, it's no different. We're dedicating another 15% to projects like the Graph, Akash Network, and Near, which are using AI to revolutionize how we interact with blockchain. These are game changers, and they're positioned to grow exponentially as AI continues to evolve. Let's not forget about, of course, the gaming sector, another 10% of your portfolio. This is where blockchain meets entertainment, with projects like Gala Games and Immutable X. These projects are pioneering new ways to monetize gaming and build player-owned economies. The potential for growth here, staggering. Almost everybody's a gamer, and it's going to continue to grow as more people flock to gaming in the metaverse. With the DreamFolio, you're aiming for transformative gains. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, and using crypto is the vehicle to get you there. We've mixed in solid proven assets with speculative picks that could be the next big thing. Now, this is how you turn your dreams into reality. So let's move into our sample portfolios before I give you my DreamFolio power picks. In randomized example 1, let's start with the overall top performers at 20% total. We have XRP as our slam dunk at 14%, and WIF is the long shot at 6%. Moving to RWAs with 15% total, we're going with Link as a slam dunk at 10% and Proppy as the long shot at 5%. For AI, also at 15% total, Near takes a slam dunk spot with 10% and Barry is a long shot at 5%. In gaming with 10% total, Gala is our slam dunk at 7% and Illuvium is the long shot at 3%. The deep in category, also at 10% total, features Render as the slam dunk at 7% and Arrow is the long shot at 3%. For layer ones at 10% total, we have Solana as a slam dunk at 7% and Phantom as the long shot at 3%. With meme coins, which also get 10% total, we're going with Doge as the slam dunk at 7% and FUD as the long shot at 3%. Finally, in the other category with 10% total, Pol is our slam dunk at 7% and VET or VeChain rounds us out as a long shot at 3%. For randomized example number 2, for overall top performers, we have Sol as the slam dunk at 14% and Render as the long shot at 6%. Moving to RWAs, we're going with Ohm as the slam dunk at 10% and GFI as the long shot at 5%. For AI, GRT takes the slam dunk spot with 10% and Fetch/ASI is a long shot at 5%. In gaming, IMX is our slam dunk at 7% and Ghost or Avagache is the long shot at 3%. The deep end category features HNT or Helium as a slam dunk at 7% and IoTex is the long shot at 3%. For layer ones, we have ICP as the slam dunk at 7% and Astar is the long shot at 3%. Meme coins, we're going Floki 7%, SNEC 3%. Finally, in the other category, we're going Caspa 7% and Axelar as the long shot at 3%. Now, finally, guys, here's how I would set up the DreamFolio with my top picks. Starting with overall top performers, we have XRP as the slam dunk at 14% and Render as the long shot at 6%. Moving to RWAs, we're going with Ondo as the slam dunk at 10% and GFI as the long shot at 5%. For AI, GRT 10%, Berry 5%. Gaming, MPLX 7%, Ghost 3%. With DPEN, we have Jasmine as the slam dunk at 7% and then Arrow at 3%. For layer ones, we have Sui as the slam dunk at 7% and Phantom as the long shot at 3%. In meme coins, we're going Whiff as the slam dunk at 7% and SNEC is the long shot at 3%. Maybe the only good coin that ever happened on Cardano. Finally, in the other category, Pol, the new Polygon coin, is our slam dunk at 7%. And PT, the Phemex token, rounds out as a long shot at 3%. That thing's been moving like crazy. Now let me know down below in the comments what you think about my picks. So that's the DreamFolio, the portfolio designed for those who are looking to turn crypto dreams into reality. If you're ready to shoot for the stars and maximize your potential, this is your path, whether it's AI, gaming, or real world assets. The DreamFolio gives you the chance to get in early on the next big trends. Remember, the sample randomized portfolios show you different ways that you could set things up. But my DreamFolio power picks are what I believe will take you to the next level. I think those are the top coins. You've got the strategy, now it's time to make it happen. Bid Squad, drop your comments down below. Dream big, invest smart, and make those gains a reality. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.